I have my student here. He's called Ballet Roy. He loves so much learning the traditional dances. And today we want to show you how to learn the culture dance. The first dance is going to be the Kiganda Dance. The Kiganda Dance. This dance is usually performed on rituals, cultural rituals like weddings, wedding ceremonies, birthdays, for the happiness of the families. So I want to show him how to learn how to dance, to perform this Kiganda dance. So we are going to begin with a few motifs. So now I'm going to begin with him making some exercises. So are you ready to learn with me?
Yes.
Do you really want to learn the Kiganda dance?
Yes.
Okay, now do as I do. You see, because when we were dancing this dance, the whole body is going to be moving. So then we are going to count 1, 2, 1, 2. We go 1, 2, 1. Stop. You get it? Now we are going to make our feet move. We're going to make our feet move. So look this side. You do what I do, eh? So you say 1, and the other leg 1, then 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Then stop. So we are going to also put the hands there when we are counting. So our hands are supposed to be like this. You get it, eh? So you look to the audience. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3. Come. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Then turn. 1 with me. 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. So to make it more colorful, we want at least to add some drumming, so that we can say 1, 2. So I need this beat. Tadanda danda. So also these boys are going to learn how to make the 1, 2 in Kiganda dance. So we are doing the 1, 2. It's as if we are planting. So long time ago, their ancestors, those who died long time ago, they used to plant a lot of food. So after cultivating, they wanted to celebrate. How do they wanted how to celebrate? So they were like back simba. Back simba is in plant it. So after harvesting, they were celebrating, eating their what? Their harvest. That's why they used to dance this back simba dance. We planted it, we have to eat it. That's why they used to celebrate about the what? The Kiganda dance. So we are going to put in the drums to make it more colorful. We are going to now to cultivate our food because now we have been planting. So me and Roy, we are going to enjoy it with the accompaniments behind it. So guys, can you please show us, Mr. Geoffrey, teach them how to tidindidinda, tidindidinda. Then it is the 1, 2. Show them how to do it. So we are going to, I want you to listen to this, to the rhythm, eh? When it is loud, eh? It's a different. Also need terrible. So this small drum.